Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, ArcelorMittal JSW in NMDC steel plant race. Next, Motherson to acquire SAS from Faurecia for rupees 4,790 crore. Next, AI order 25% of Boeing Airbus pre-COVID book. Next, Sony Z Star of Air High Court to hear plea today. Next, Viva.com 18 eyes 550 MN viewers for IPL 2023. Next, Digital T20 Bash. Next, G20 India to showcase robust digital economy. Next, global chains finally return to Tirupura after long dry spell. On page number 4 in companies section under that, AI order accounts for 25% of Boeing Airbus pre-COVID book. Next, India Aviation can absorb recurring orders. GE Aerobus. Next, SAMIL to buy SAS from Faurecia for rupees 4,790 crore. Next, Safolo now rupees 2,000 crore plus brand worst of inflation over Marico MD. Next, Adani not to impact India story DLF chairman emeritus. Next, HRHI Magnesita to invest rupees 3.6 thousand crore in India to expand capacity. CEO. Next, Kerala High Court to hear plea on restoring signal today. Next, we will import energy models of UK to India. Rahul Munjal. Next, Hero Motocorp plans to expand EV to MW range. Next, focus stays on organic growth. Minda after pre-recall deal. On page number 5, in companies section under that, e-commerce firms offer value products to Woo Bharat. Next, high milk prices likely to continue till October. Next, TCS looking to hire those who lost jobs. Next, NARCL likely to revive SIFL, wind up SEFL after takeover. Next, Greaves Electric Eyes first annual net profit in FY25. Next, then I comes to page number 6 in economy and public affairs section under that CEPA with UAE gave boost to Indian entrepreneurs. PM. Next, FinMin to meet heads of banks on Wednesday to review ECLGS. Next, CBI accepts Sishodia's request to give fresh date to join probe. Next, PowerMin plans tax breaks for pumped storage hydro projects. Next, India economy to grow at 6% in FY24, former Niti Aayog VC. Next, in a first DMRC to launch virtual shopping recharge application. Next, Chandrayaan 3 undergoes key test successfully, says ISRO. Next, rupees 2,000 crore deal to purchase Sena name symbol Rawat. Next, India limits wheat export via government route has price rises. Next, accessible fair logistics set to be discussed at G20 trade track. Next, Russia-Ukraine war brings today structural changes in global trade. Next, FPI focus back on India, invest rupees 7,600 crore in week. Next, center steps into speed up Barmer refinery work. Next, then I comes to page number 8 in economy section under that Switch Mobility JBM among 6 firms to supply 6,465 e-buses. Next, difference between rise in median MCLR term deposits crosses 40 basis point. Next, flows into NRI deposits up to 76% in April December. Next, domestic ESG firms perform better than global peers study. Next, digital competition law panel to hold first meeting on Feb 22. Next, on page number 9 in pure politics section under that farm to fork going in favor of the grains. Next, the home stretch. Next, PM Awas Yojana budget. Next, event full story of development. Next, dry run to test the waters. Then I comes to page number 10 in world section under that already defaulted we are bankrupt nation Pakistan minister. Next, Pakistan biggest firm hull tops amid raw material forex shortage. Next, fire dead as Israel missile strikes residential area in Damascus. Damascus. Next, too soon to call for March 50 basis point hike Fed hike. Summer. Next, Zara owner pulls out of deal to buy Meta's Dublin HQ. Next, PepsiCo recalls Starbucks Fabricino bottles in US. Next, China may soon be supplying arms to Russia, warns Blinken. Next, former US presidency Jimmy Carter to get hospice care at home. Next, fake EBITDA, Musk risk-in debt-laden firm. Next, looking for job, cannabis industry going hiring high in NY. Next, then I comes to page number 11 in opinion section under that. Next phase for GST. Next judgment reserved. Next CO2 arbitrage will make heroes. Next saving the land for better use. Next Palo Alto Maxian nightmare. On page number 12 in the smart investor section under that, not REIT to reaches for investors has near term headwinds blow. Next, discovering value. Next, promoter share pledge rises to 1.61% in quarter 3. Next, Nifty 50 rebalance pick me up for non F&O. Next, home grow tech stocks may turn sideways. Next, weak bank Nifty may be a drag. Next, albeit a poor start, we like the Indian market. On page number 13, in personal finance section under that, hospital held liable for acting without consent. Next, reduce your tax liability using reduction on medical expenses. Next, on page number 14 in technology section under that, technology is making trade more trendy. Next, the digital booms cybersecurity pitfall. Next, Meta account for 82% of fines under EU privacy laws. Next, India will see 1.5 million vaccines in cybersecurity in 2025. Then I comes to page 15 into tech section under that. Honeymoon with record profits may end in March. Next, cab aggregators navigate a regulatory maze. Next, Ukraine's innovation alert a year later. Next, then I comes to page number 16. In that year later, medical students back from Ukraine look elsewhere. Next, shy student from St. Francis College to YouTube boss. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.